Hello guys! Today we'll show you how to create 10 Christmas typography really easily with a given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's start. It's really simple to do, just press 2 times on this one for example, and then you can press here 2 times, and here you can see color settings. So here you can change the colors of 3 of those bubbles, and here are those colors, and also you can change the text color. So I will change the text color to white, and here press here text, and you can change the text, I don't know, whatever you want, and then go to the final and upload your video and just drag it here, and here you go. There is really easy. You can also change the scale of this text to make more bigger or smaller, or put in the corners. I don't know, it's your imagination. So yeah, that's it, and you can do with all these 10 things. Just do the same, type 2 times here, then go to the typography color settings and change the colors of these things, or the text, change the text, and then go back to the final and drag your video here, and it will look like this, the same, just different this text. So it's really easy, and I think that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share with others. See you soon.